Yeah. No, no, no.
Yeah. Okay, so yeah,
Yeah.
he's showing that.
They're big. So
Yeah.
this is active right now. This is something. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, oh, okay. Mhm.
Okay. That is something we do.
That is all you guys explaining.
Yeah. Mhm.
Uh huh. So yeah, so this is all you here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's perfect. Yeah.
Yes. That's
We will check that
really
out.
beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Otherwise,
Yeah.
everything is otherwise, guys, everything is here. You can just come to this resort and then yeah, and meet Julio here. Julio is here working for many years, and he loved the company, and he loved working in Grand Park Royal Luxury Resort. There we go. There you go. So guys, here, so these are what they are offering. So they have the aqua world. There you go. So that's the one over there, and then there. So this one, yeah.
Yeah.
So
Very similar to the temperature. Yeah. But
so
gets
this is
cold
what the
in
hotel
the
looks
winter
like.
time. Yeah. Not
Yeah.
beautiful, but
So very
I
nice.
love the weather there when it's not
There you
super
go. So
cold.
that is over there, guys. So you can see that this is the hotel, Grand Park Royal. And yes, so here we go. That how it looks like, but this is the main one, and we are in the other area. So it's a big resort. So you can see a lot here, over there. So that is Holyo there. So this is the Aqua World Fun Experts. And yeah, so that is the lobby. It's lobby there, lobby, and that is the buffet. That's where you can eat. And that's on. We they have few restaurants here, guys. So there's a lot. There's a snack bar. There's 24 hours service. If you are hungry, they can even cook for you. They can deliver it to your room 24 hours. So anytime. And yeah, and there you go. So I will show you a lot, guys. If you guys want to come here, yeah, this is Cancun. And you can check this out. I love the food, guys. The food here are fantastic. So it's superb. And yeah, we're still with Julio explaining. He's explaining still, guys.
Okay. Nice. Nice. Okay. Thank you so much. Yeah. Yes. When I was less, I should have joked with him
So
before.
here we go, guys. So that's the swimming pool. So we are gonna head to our room, but I'll just show you guys like a little bit of it, and yeah. So swimming pool number one, this one, it's very nice, and yeah. Okay, so yeah, so here is, so look at that, guys, like so much view. And the one, that's the one I mentioned, that's another that's the snack bar there, snack bar. You can see the snack bar here. Yeah. So swimming pool. Oh, I would love to be in the water right now. So hot. Yes, so there you go. Mhm. Swimming pool, guys. And this is where the activities is. So that's a swimming pool. And babe, we can check the activities here. So this is their program. So guys, look at that. So every day they have it here. So beach, it's 10. Or they have yoga on Monday. And they have 11, 12. Hi, buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
So I'm just checking your activities. So that's their activities, guys. So Monday, they have yoga, volleyball, aerobics, water aerobics. Wow, aqua volley, ceviche, water basket. Okay, so they have a lot of activities until Sunday. So today is Saturday. So they're going to have body stretching at 10. What time now? Oh, at 10. Volleyball, beach volley, aerobics, aqua water. Oh, they have a bingo at 2, 13, 14, 2 p.m. They have a water polo on 3, and then they have a soccer at 5. Very perfect. Okay. Yeah, you can hear guys, they're busy right now. Whew, too hot. Okay, that's jacuzzi, guys. I cannot be in the jacuzzi because it's so hot. So they have a jacuzzi. That is the jacuzzi. So here, swimming pool. Yeah, we could, babe. Yeah. So there we go. It's nice, very nice. Yeah. Okay. We-
Oh yeah, yeah.
Hi guys. So yes, now you see me. So I'm gonna show you guys the beach. So come with me. Hi. So we're gonna be walking on the beach. Hello. So we are in Cancun. So Grand Park Royal Luxury Beach Resort. Yeah, I think did I get it right? So it's Grand Park Royal Luxury Resort. So see guys, I'll show you guys. We're gonna be walking down there. Yes. Okay. So it's hot guys. I know it's very hot. Yeah. So here we're gonna be here at the sand. So come with me guys. So I think I need to uh, remove my slippers. Here we go. Yes. So this is the beach guys. So there's a volleyball here. Volleyball later. Oh, they have a lot of activities there. That's nice. Yes. So we gonna walk all the way down to our room. Yes. Oh my gosh, I love it. Here we go. So yeah. Oh wow. So yes, guys. It's so hot. I don't know how many degrees. Very hot. Oh, it's hard to walk faster on the sand. Yeah. Okay. So, oh, this is our exercise already. Walking on the sand. And what is that? That's different. Is this the villa? No. Maybe that's the villa. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you. Oh wow, there's a stone there. Be careful. Oh, it's so hot. Oh yeah. Ooh. I think that's the Vela because they have their own restaurant. Oh yes. Oh yes. We will. I would love to be in the ocean. Oh my gosh. True that, babe. Oh my god. Oh, yeah. Why should? Oh my gosh, babe. She don't know there's something watching. Oh my. Oh my god. Yeah. She don't know that there's a lizard there, a big lizard.
Probably better.
Yeah, or else she freak out. Oh, oh my gosh. We're us down there? Oh yeah, up. Oh, we are on the seventh one. Oh, we're up there. Oh my gosh. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, my legs. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Okay, so that's the beach, guys. Oh, oh wow. Okay. Oh, I can put my slippers now. Yep.